I've engaged with the professional world more so over the last 3 years. Constant emails every week telling us that maybe this company's here, this company's coming on Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday. You have this opportunity to network, and it's literally being able to talk with leading experts in the field and find out how this career can kind of benefit you, or that career can kind of benefit you. Coming to university and being in the corner of the edge of the city, and especially with London being very multicultural and such, there's a really diverse community. And the reason why that kind of really effectively helped me is because you kind of saw different paradigms from different people, like their view and their perspectives of how they see a situation. I think I developed the initiative and the resilience in meeting challenges. In school or in sixth form, you do something and you had to do it there and then, or you got homework and you have to meet it, and it's clearly defined as such. But when you're at university, your time is your time. There is no one going to come up to you and say, hey, have you done that yet, or how's it going, or such. It's completely your time and how you manage it, and you got to make sure that you're resilient in meeting your own challenges. Like, for example, I've got my dissertation this year, and in 3 weeks' time I've already given my date to hand it in. The official date is April 22, but that's just me trying to meet my challenges and trying to manage my time effectively. The module that we had in second year, which was a core module, it was done throughout the year, was called software engineering. And what that module contained was actually imagining as if you were in a year-long project. Imagine you were part of a company and you had to produce something at the end of the year, and so you had to come up with user requirements and such. You had to have clearly defined roles. So one was a project manager, and one was maybe an editor, one was maybe a writer and such, and one was a developer. So because I'm more from a technical background, and that was year long. So you had to have meetings, and you had to then go away from those meetings and then work with yourself and what you can do, and then bring it back to the table every meeting and collaborate with other people. And that was literally over the course of 8-9 months, and you weren't going to get your grade unless you worked with each other. Whenever we learned something, it wasn't just, okay, we learned it. It was, okay, well, why does that happen? Or, how does that happen? How can we apply that to now, and how can we use that to benefit our project that's going on right now? So it was literally just going out there and kind of finding new knowledge, questioning it, and then trying to see how we can fit it in what we were doing. We actually learned how to respond effectively to criticism. I think that was the main one, because there was no way we were going to actually improve what we were making, or because it was a requirement, like it was a user requirement project. So that person that's going to use it in the end has to be happy with it, and constantly bringing that product and to them, and then getting their criticism and responding appropriately. That was a huge thing. And I think doing that over the course of 8 months, it really helped.